Hey guys, Henry here from our Freedom Formula. In today's video, we're going to delve into the ancient philosophy of Stoicism and discover how it can help us to cultivate inner strength and overcome being weak-willed. Stoicism offers timeless wisdom that can profoundly impact our lives. So, let's dive in and learn how to use Stoicism to stop being weak-willed. Before we begin, let's understand what being weak-willed really means. It refers to our tendency to give in easily to temptations, distractions, or external pressures, rather than staying committed to our values and goals. Being weak-willed can hinder our personal growth, rob us of our potential, and leave us feeling unfulfilled. However, Stoicism offers powerful tools to strengthen our resolve and develop an unshakable inner fortitude. Point 1. Cultivate self-awareness. The first step in overcoming your weak will is to cultivate self-awareness. Stoicism teaches us to examine our thoughts, emotions, and impulses. By understanding ourselves better, we can identify the patterns that lead us to having a weak will. As the ancient Stoic philosopher Epictetus once said, "Know first who you are, and then adorn yourself accordingly." Practical tip: mindful reflection. Engage in regular moments of reflection. Take time each day to pause and assess your thoughts and actions. Ask yourself, what temptations or distractions have I succumbed to recently? Why did I give in? What could I have done differently? By observing our behavior objectively, we can gain insight into our weak points and begin to strengthen them. Point 2. Focus on what you can control. One fundamental principle of Stoicism is recognizing the distinction between what we can control and what we can't. Often, being weak-willed stems from fixating on external circumstances beyond our control. The Stoic philosopher Epictetus reminds us we cannot choose our external circumstances, but we can always choose how we respond to them. Practical tip: the circle of control. Draw a mental circle representing your sphere of control. Inside the circle, place things like your thoughts, emotions, and actions, those aspects directly under your influence. Outside the circle, list external factors beyond your control, such as other people's opinions, actions, or unforeseen events. By focusing your energy and attention on what you can control, you empower yourself to resist the pull of a weak will. Point 3. Embrace adversity. Being weak-willed often happens when faced with challenges or adversity. However, Stoicism encourages us to embrace these hardships as opportunity for growth. As the ancient Roman emperor and Stoic philosopher Marcus Aurelius said, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way." Practical tip: the obstacle is the way. Whenever you encounter obstacles or setbacks, shift your perspective. Instead of viewing them as roadblocks, see them as chances to exercise resilience and fortitude. Remind yourself that challenges are not setbacks, but rather stepping stones on your path to personal development. Embracing adversity will strengthen your will and allow you to emerge stronger. Point 4. Practice negative visualization. Stoicism encourages us to regularly practice negative visualization. It involves contemplating worst-case scenarios and preparing ourselves mentally for them. By doing so, we reduce our fear of failure or fear of adverse outcomes, thus strengthening our resolve. As the Stoic philosopher Seneca once wrote, "Set aside a certain number of days, during which you shall be content with the scantiest and cheapest fare, with coarse and rough dress, saying to yourself the while, 'Is this a condition that I feared?'" Practical tip: the power of negative visualization. Dedicate a few moments each day to imagine potential challenges or setbacks. Picture yourself facing them calmly, persisting through adversity. Realize that the outcome may not be preferred, but that you will accept it as part of life. Then you'll be able to handle what life throws at you, and you'll emerge triumphant. This practice helps desensitize our fear of failure and builds resilience, empowering us to make more courageous choices and resist our weak-willed tendencies. By cultivating self-awareness, focusing on what you can control, embracing adversity, and practicing negative visualization, you can strengthen your resolve and lead a more empowered life. Remember the wisdom of Stoic philosophers who taught us to find strength within ourselves no matter our age or circumstances. Stay strong, friends. If you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not share and also leave a comment down below and let me know how you stay strong when your will is feeling weak. Just so you know, on the top left hand side of the screen, you'll see a video that I believe you might like. Below that is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And if you look on the right side of the screen, you'll see an image of my head. Now, if you click on that, or poke me in the forehead with your finger, you'll be able to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.